Hey everyone, Vanessa here. Today we have Boxycharm. I know I posted on my Instagram that I was gonna do a video a few nights ago, but I totally forgot. So here's the video today. So let's dig in. We have Dare to Dazzle. Boxycharm. No. Here's everything. Sorry. There was barely any packaging in this box. So it was very strange to not see the black foam that they put in here to protect the palettes. Like, this is how it came. So I don't know if anything's going to be broken, but we shall see. First off, we have Jekka Black Hydrate Primer. Hopefully I'm saying the name right. This is $20. I don't typically use primers. They tend to move my foundation around. Even, when I'm playing with a brush or a beauty blender. I just don't use primers. So I'll probably give this to my daughter or a friend. So I won't open it. Next we have Luna Magic Beauty Vava Voom Pink Lash Primer. This is a new launch. It is $25. So I've never heard of lash primer being pink. I don't know if you can use this as a pink mascara. Oh yeah, that's pink. Like baby pink. Wouldn't that put a pink tone to your mascara? And then if you wear falsies, you can see that. I don't know. I'll give it a try. Or just use it as a pink mascara for fun. Again, that is a new launch from Luna Magic Beauty. I actually can't wait to try it. I don't mind pink. I actually like pink. Next, we have Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, makeup palette. This is also a new launch, and it is $34. So let's go ahead and open it. Apparently there's construction going on outside. Sorry if you can hear the jackhammer. And my windows are closed. Sorry, I'm struggling here. Zoom. Sorry, I mean focus. Ooh, those are pretty. This light doesn't do any justice for these colors. They're very pretty. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it's trying to focus on it. Let me bring some light in here from my window. There we go. Oh, those are very pretty. I can't wait to try this. I don't have that many highlight palettes. Okay, next we have NARS. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. It is $27. It is, oops, sorry, focus. No, not gonna focus. Mysterious Red. Let me go ahead and open that. Ooh, that's gonna be a pretty red. Just drop that in there. Ooh, that is so pretty. I don't usually wear red lipsticks or lip colors because I am pale and I am a redhead. I have to find the perfect shade of red that I feel confident in, and I haven't so far. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how it looks. Okay, last we have OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. This is $40. I'm actually pretty excited that I received this palette. Excuse me. Those are so pretty. This is gonna be a fun palette to use. I really like that orange color. It's called Glimmer. And Edge. Very pretty. That's gonna be super fun. I'm excited that I received this palette. Boxycharm does like dedicates a day to have charmers pick one item they want in their Boxy, and when I logged into Boxycharm, it was sold out, so I guess they already picked it for me, which is a surprise. I love it. I can't wait to try it. Ever since getting Boxycharm, I have a whole collection of eyeshadow palettes now. I am so excited about, because I usually can't afford $40 or $50 or $65 palettes, so definitely check out Boxycharm. Their handle is at Boxycharm. That you can find them on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Last I checked, I think they had a Snapchat, but I haven't seen them in a while. You can also go on their website, www.boxycharm.com. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this box. This is the base box, which is $25. After taxes is $26.84. You get 5 full products. They also have a luxe and a premium box. I don't know the prices of those, but that's everything in my box. Again, this is the base box, so go check out Boxycharm if you don't have one. They have amazing customer service. Customer service does take a day or two to write back, but they've helped me a lot. The products are amazing. Yeah, so go check out Boxycharm and have a great day. Bye.